Look, honestly, we've been all across Europe and England. That was literally the best one, so give it up for yourselves. Big up. Let's get magic tattoos. Let's do it. Oh. Are we having a good time so far? Now, as you can see, young Niall Horan has got his guitar out for us, so Niall, play us a little song now. I mean, John Mayer is here, so do you want to play him a tune? Give it up to Niall Horan! I'm John Mayer. Right then. Alright, that's enough. Come on, no one else to show off.
Somebody threw a chicken thing on stage.
That's for Zayn, because he wanted some chicken. Must be. Who's eating chicken? I'm not sharing. Well, definitely share. Right then, I'm going to shut up now. This is, I forgot what it is. It's back for you. That's what it is. Back for you. Here we go.
You've changed.
You've changed.